to be making a monster craft using everyday recycled products. So at home, if you've got some old newspapers, magazines, milk cartons, drink bottles, bottle caps, paper roll, holders, anything like that. So this is an example. We've made derrick. Derrick is made out of tissue boxes and some paper and some recycled bottle caps. Okay. So today we're going to make something a little bit different than derrick. I've already prepared earlier a box that I've covered, so it's just a tissue box. So I've just covered it in whatever I have at home. So today we're going to make him into a monster. We have some examples here which will be on the website for you to follow. So we're just going to paste his mouth on. So the products you need to use, you'll need some glue, some scissors, some sticky tape, and any other items that you can find around the house that you can make your monster out of. So first of all, I'm just going to stick his mouth on, like such, with the glue. Then we're going to add some teeth, because monsters have teeth. So I'm just going to stick on his teeth with the glue. I've just cut them out of a white piece of paper, just little triangles. You can make your teeth however you like. It's completely up to you. So there's some teeth, so just stick some teeth on like that. So then he needs some eyes. So with the craft glue, I'm going to stick the back of the bottle caps. Let's stick some eyes on. You can put your eyes wherever you like. He doesn't have to be perfect. The weirder he looks, the better. I'm just going to stick. I've got Google eyes today, but if you don't have googly eyes, you could just cut out some white paper and put a black dot in the centre with a texture. I'm going to stick another eye on. Okay, so there's his eyes. Now I've got some antennas. So I've got the eyes stuck on the end of his antennas. I'm going to stick them on with some sticky tape. It just flew off. So now I was saying he doesn't have to be perfect because he's now only got one eye on his antenna. This one just flew off. There we are. So what else I've got? I've got some pom-poms that aren't recycled. They're just from our craft box. So if you've got anything like that at home, you can just put some things on like that. And now he's just lost another eye off his antenna, so he's now a weird looking thing. There we go. So this is a very simple craft. As you can see, there's not much to it, but you can make it more elaborate at home if you like. But for now, this is going to be Roger. His name is Roger, and he is now, he's now going to be friends with derrick. So there we are, that's today's craft. It's a very easy one. But you can make it as complicated as you like. You can use textures, you can colour him in, you can put glitter, spots, dots, whatever you like on him. And for today, that is your craft. Thank you for watching.